everybody, my name is Iliana, I'm a senior here at Wheat Ridge High School, and my capstone topic is about surgical technician. Capstone motivated me by giving me a goal to pursue. These are the numbers of jobs in 2024.
Capstone is an opportunity for seniors to really tell a story about their career path.
I got to do a job shadow at Lutheran hospitals.
It is part of Jeffco's senior sign-off that allows students really to begin to explore careers and real-world skills outside of a classroom setting.
I am also doing an internship right now with a nurse and a CNA.
In Iliana's case, she explored 4 different careers.
When I first started looking at career options, I had 4 different options, and they are quite different. It was surgical technician, interior design, culinary school, and cosmetology.
And so for Iliana, it was really important, as it is for other seniors, to actually test out the skills that they were learning.
I have learned medications, IVs, feeding tubes. Once I started doing my research into all of them and getting to know the fields more, surgical technician is the one that just caught my interest.
Get out into internships and opportunities like Iliana had at Lutheran Hospital, and she's already a CNA, which really sets her up for a really nice trajectory.
A CNA is a certified nursing assistant. My first semester I did a CNA class where I got a certificate, and I also am the first in Wheat Ridge to pass the state tests, written and skills, on my first try, so I am a certified CNA.
Kind of get outside of their comfort zone, lean into collaboration, communication, critical thinking, build their own portfolio of skills.
It just helped me open up more as a person and make me more confident in myself, and just know that I don't have to be scared to put myself out there to do something. I worked at Mountain Vista, which is a senior living center. That's where I interned at. I also have my name tag right here.
I think Iliana has a wonderful future ahead of her. She's got a drive and a determination, and she's focused on being the best version of herself.
I feel like I have a lot of options with my job shadowing at Lutheran and also my internship with the job that I got offered at Mountain Vista, and just everything else that I can do as a certified CNA. I feel like those are a lot of good options that I have. So I plan on going to Pima Medical Institute. It is a nursing school. It's a hands-on nursing school, so basically you learn about the topic and then you go to the lab, which is right